Hi, how are you?
How are you? How are
Just
you
checking it out?
inside?
Yeah, I'm just doing work.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
Oh no, people do it all the time.
What kind of car is that?
It's a Holden Commodore SS from Australia.
Oh,
Um,
that's why.
yeah, not very many. General Motors imported it as a basic Chevrolet SS performance sedan.
You know,
But yeah,
the logo even,
yeah.
it looks like Peugeot.
Oh yes, it does. I get that question a lot.
So, but it's changed, it just looks different.
Yeah.
I'm from Morocco, so we have a lot of Peugeot.
Yep.
And I was surprised to see Peugeot over here.
Yeah, it's
It's a French car.
yes, it is. Yeah, they make some good cars.
But
So.
this is a little different.
Yeah.
Then I thought, well, maybe somebody imported Peugeot, but
That's
I'm surprised.
yeah.
This is only some guy like myself who has Peugeot over there.
Right.
Peugeot.
Yeah.
So I was taking a look to make sure this is Peugeot or not.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Same type of animal. Yeah, Holden's emblem is a lion. Also, is a lion.
Yeah.
So that's why.
The Peugeot. That's
Yep.
why I saw it. I didn't read email. It's just SS.
Yeah.
It's because the other one used to have the lion and in the bottom the grail
Yep.
Peugeot.
Yep.
But I said maybe it's different, maybe. But looks like Peugeot.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. People ask that sometimes, so because they've never seen it too many of these. So.
All
But,
right.
yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.